A projected 5.8% climb in Zcash by June 21 is noted by Traders Union. To start off, here's where the market currently stands. As we speak, Zcash has gone up 4.9% and is sitting around $471.66. Here come 5 views from analysts. Traders Union forecasts a move to $499.13 by June 21. That's roughly 5.8% above the current price. CoinCodex expects Zcash to retreat to $468.02, a projected drop of about 0.8%. Digital coin price notes the chance of moving downward to $452.93, implying a loss of 4%. Another prediction from Gov Capital Collector puts the target for Zcash at $446.73 on the downside, approximately 5.3% lower. And in closing crypto predictions believes the price may reach $424.81 by tomorrow. That's a 9.9% drop. This is the strongest return case. 5 forecasts covered. Let's keep moving. Now let's take a step into what each forecast might deliver. The combined projections suggest the price could range from a decline of 9.9% to a gain of 5.8%, depending on the analyst. So it turns out, Crypto Predictions offers the highest projected return with 9.9% gain in value by June 21. As a result, you could earn between $8 and $99 for every $1,000 you invest. By examining recent volatility trends, CoinCodex's forecast stands as the most probable, with a 99.9% likelihood. Looking across the 5 forecasts, I've built a consensus outlook for clarity. According to the consensus projection, Zcash could fall toward $458.33, down roughly 2.8%. Here are the details. The consensus forecast points to a 2.8% decline in price under current market expectations. To phrase it clearly, your capital could likewise increase by about 2.8% as part of that scenario. With $1,000 invested, the potential upside could be about $28. Based on the forecasts, the probability of this consensus outcome being realized is near 99.6%. Here's the part where we explore the expected price trajectory for the next 3 days based on analysts' views. Traders Union suggests the market will keep pressing upward. Meanwhile, CoinCodex describes the path as tilting upward. A slide is anticipated by digital coin price with pressure on the downside. Likewise, Gov Capital Collector indicates that prices could dip further. Also, Crypto Predictions projects weaker prices ahead. By combining analyst projections, the consensus underscores an upward bias for Zcash in the short-term picture. Summing up, 60% of projections indicate a tilt to the downside for Zcash. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago. Now we'll see which ones were accurate. As a result, the price action finished at $476.42. Not one of the 5 analysts got the move right. The best forecast in terms of precision was made by CoinPrice Forecast. Now we'll take it step by step. Yesterday's move showed 4 forecasts inside. Regarding ROI, several results showed gains. CoinDataFlow was the strongest performer with 5.7%. And here's the daily recap, the full picture of forecast accuracy in one frame. CoinPrice Forecast's forecast probability stood at 99.7%, with accuracy and 2.6% ROI. Take a glance and see who achieved the most accurate forecast. Now let's see how Zcash ranks among other assets based on their forecasted returns for tomorrow. Zcash falls behind with PEX, gold leading the table at 44.8%. Here we're looking at Zcash and 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full profitability comparison is already published on my website. If you want to stay ahead and never miss the next important forecast, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next forecast.